In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Cloudflare. This process is straightforward, but making sure you follow each step carefully is essential to ensure a smooth experience. Let's kick things off by heading over to the Cloudflare website. You'll want to open your web browser and navigate to dash.cloudflare.com. If you don't already have it bookmarked, you might consider doing so for quick access in the future. Once you're on the website, you'll see the login fields prominently displayed. Start by entering the email address that you use for your Cloudflare account. This is important as it helps the platform recognize your account and prepare to verify your identity. And double-check to ensure there are no typos, because even a small error here can lead to access issues. Next, move on to the password field. Enter the password associated with your Cloudflare account. As with your email, accuracy here is critical. If you happen to have multiple Cloudflare accounts, be sure you're using the correct password for the email you've entered. After inputting your password, click the Login button. This will initiate the login process and begin verifying your credentials. Now, if you've enabled two-factor authentication, often referred to as 2FA, you'll encounter one more step for added security. 2FA is a fantastic way to add an extra layer of protection to your account, and it's highly recommended if you're not already using it. You'll need to grab your mobile device and open the Authenticator app you have linked to Cloudflare. Enter the code that's currently displayed in the app. Keep in mind that these codes generally have a time limit, so you'll want to enter it promptly. Once you've successfully entered your 2FA code, or if you don't have 2FA enabled, you'll be directed to your Cloudflare dashboard. Congratulations, you've logged in. From this dashboard, you can manage your websites and access all the tools Cloudflare has to offer. If at any point you have trouble remembering your password, check to see if your browser can assist with password recovery, or consider using a password manager to keep track of your login details securely. Should you encounter any persistent issues while logging in, Cloudflare's support resources can be quite helpful. And there you have it, a simple yet secure way to access your Cloudflare account. Thank you for watching, and if this guide was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.